this custom gray and gray half and half look with the white in here. Y'all, it's super cute, right? I love it. Let me know what y'all think. But if y'all want to see this look, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie. What's good? What's popping? What it do? What it do? What it do? Y'all, I look so freaking cute, like a little Barbie doll. I like this little lip combo too. I literally just put this on, just tried it out for the first time, and I'm loving it. Y'all know I love me some butter gloss. Okay, but anywho, before I get to before I get started into this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because I know y'all gonna like this video already. Okay, and make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome. To all my returning subscribers, what it do? What's good? What's poppin'? Pope from Brooklyn. No, I'm kidding. If you're new to my channel is pretty much versatile. Like, I do any and everything on my channel. I cook, I give life updates, life tips, I do DIYs, I do hair, makeup, all that good stuff. But anywho, today's video I am going to be showing y'all how I got this look right here, this gray and gray sweater. Super cute. And y'all, guess what? Okay, if y'all don't know, previously, like probably a month or two ago, I made a video on me doing showing y'all how to create waist beads, and them bitches was up here, sis. My waist beads was up here. Okay, now let me show y'all where they at. Okay, but anyways, y'all, I've been so focused. I got something new coming for Suzie Collection. Yes, I'm so excited. I got a photo shoot coming up, and also, y'all, my job been working me like hell. That's why I cannot work for another company after this. I want to send my own paychecks, okay? But let's wrap this up and get into this video. Y'all, I'm really feeling this lip combo. My lips look like so kissable. Okay, but yeah, let's get into the video. Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump straight into this video. So you are gonna be needing 2 sweatshirts. I picked mine up at my local Walmart. And I did get a size medium because I could not find a small, because y'all know how y'all extra big people want to go and stake all the smalls. But the things that I just showed you, that last thing with the wooden pole, that is called a awl, AWL. And I got a eyelet kit. I ordered it from eBay, and as you can see me now, I am measuring my the width of my sweaters. And you didn't really have to use the measurement, but I wanted mine kind of to be perfectly centered, so that's why I did that. Y'all know I like to be extra. So you simply just gonna cut it down the middle. You're gonna take one side of each, and you want to go ahead and use some thick pins to kind of like sew up the sides. I wanted to go and give it like how could I say it, like a closed finished look on the front. You'll see when it's done, and that's where the holes are gonna go. And this was my first time using an eyelet kit. It was pretty simple. but I did not sew that little piece all the way down. I don't know why, but I just didn't. But you want to do the same thing you did to the other side. Um, we already did the other side, but now we're gonna go ahead with the back, and you literally gonna just, we'll stick in some pins and literally just sew down the side. I was gonna do that inside out look on it. I really should have, but I kind of thought about it after the fact that I sewed it up already. But what if? But anyways, yeah, we just gonna go ahead and sew that down. This is the back of the sweatshirt. But yeah, look how clean that looks. Almost perfect, right? So like we almost literally done. So now this is what I was talking about in the front. The two of you just seen, y'all. I'm always trying to twerk some ass, knowing I can't dance. I don't know what I was listening to, but I was lit. Okay, y'all. So I did already use this tool right here to punch the holes in there, but for some reason it deleted my video. So you can already see the holes poked in. All you literally have to do is poke it in there with the pointy part, like literally so simple. So now I am using the eyelet, and I know I said I got it from Amazon. I mean eBay, but I actually got it from Amazon. So it's really simple, but that's how you poke the holes. You put the little the eyelet in, and I'm using the awl to spread the threads around the eyelet, and you put one of the silver bottoms on and just literally press it down. Give it a little pressure, and that's it, sis. Oh, look at my stinky. He like to be under his mommy. Yeah, I love him so much. That's my baby. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that off. Oh my god, y'all don't know how freaking happy I was. Bae did not tell me he was bringing in Popeyes. Brought your girl a two-piece spicy in with the fries. He know me so well. But of course, Polo thought he was getting some of my food. Like he was on it. But anyways, yeah, this is a little break. Y'all, I literally smashed that chicken. I was so hungry, I didn't even put no hot sauce or nothing. I just ate it as is because I was lazy and didn't feel like going to get what I needed. But let's get back into the video. Okay, so we're all done with one side. What you do to the other, you do to the next, and we'll be back. So y'all, I ended up getting elastic because I got a shoestring that was 54 inches and it was not long enough. And then I went to like 3 or 4 different stores, Walmart's, Family Dollars, all types of stuff, and I could not find a string long enough. Okay, so this is how it looks with me not doing any altering. It is a medium, so I wanted a little more fitted, especially on my arms and under the sides, all that. So I did go ahead and cut off like 2 of the holes at the bottom. So it was a decent amount. Well, not a whole lot, probably like 2 inches I cut off from the bottom so it can be shorter. Then I sew up the arms and down the sides so it can be a little more snug, and you will see that in 1 second.
But I've been wanting to create this for the longest, and y'all, I finally did it. Super cute, super simple. But yeah, let's cut it. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. You want to speak today? Come here. Come here. To all my new subscribers, this is my Stuka Buddha Polo. Hey, baby. Say hi. Say hi, Shinky. He was napping, y'all. You want to speak?
So y'all, this is it. I love this look. The socks definitely set it off. Y'all, the elastic band came in handy. I hope this video was simple for y'all. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all go and try this look. I got an orange sweater shirt, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But give me some ideas on my social media pages. Follow me on my new TikTok. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I'm out. I love you guys oh so much. Mwah. Peace.